Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I hope you guys are following my videos or you are finding it useful. So today I am with another topic that is a functional location in SAP plant maintenance, which is a crucial master data. So before proceeding ahead, I would request you all to please like and subscribe my channel. So on the screen, you can see I have prepared one document which can help you guys to understand what exactly a function location is. So if you remember, my last video in SAP plant maintenance was on the work center, which is one of the crucial master data as well, and we finished that one. So now I am starting. This is the part first video for this function location master data. So let us understand what is exactly a function location in SAP plant maintenance. And please note that this video might not be much useful for them who are already expert in SAP plant maintenance. This is very useful to them who have just started their career in SAP plant maintenance, or someone who is coming from the industrial background. All right, so let us proceed without wasting time and let's see what exactly a function location is. So I will be reading out this definition, which is SAP standard, I would say, but we will understand exactly what is a function location in a simple language. Okay, so let us first read it out. A function location represents a physical location within a plant where maintenance activities are performed. It's a hierarchical representation of an organization assets, breaking down the plant into manageable units. Think of it as a map of your equipment and where it's located. Instead of just knowing you have a pump, you know it's pump 123 located in the mixing group on production line A. All right. So don't worry if you haven't got this one. Okay, I'm here to make you understand in very, very simple terms. So imagine you do have a air condition in your room. Okay, so air condition is an equipment, is a machine. Now your room under which that air condition is installed, it is a functional location. Okay, so that's very simple, right? So but in few cases, as per the business requirements, we can also create air condition as a functional location as well. What does it mean? That in some business, in some industries, you might find a big huge equipment where like hundred of another equipments are being installed under that large equipment. Okay, so in that case also, business will decide to create it as a functional location. So it all depends, right, how you are mapping it into the system. But as per the SAP standard, a function location represents a physical location. Okay, so enough of this. Let us understand via this diagram only. So this is our function location, and what does it tells? The purpose of this function location is that it is a structured maintenance planning and execution. So it provides us a structured maintenance planning and execution. Okay, so how does it provide a structured maintenance planning? We will see that in the system. How does it looks like? Okay. Then the structure, coming to the structure framework, I mean hierarchical framework for asset management and maintenance. As I said, key functionalities enable efficient tracking and management of maintenance tasks. It means if you are executing any of the maintenance activities to this function location, it will be very efficient. I mean, it will be very easy to track down the maintenance cost and maintenance activities. Okay, which will tell you how efficiently you are doing the maintenance activities. And then the importance, crucial for optimizing maintenance operations and resource allocation. So, in simple words, if someone is executing the maintenance activities on this particular function location, means your air condition in this case, definitely there will be some technician, right? So, technician is what? Your resource. So, that is all about this resource allocation. Okay. So, let us proceed and let's see what I have more into this one. So visualizing function location in SAP plant maintenance. So this is your function location. It can represent hierarchical representation. Now how it does represent the whole hierarchy. So imagine you have that air condition which is installed under your room. So your room here in this case is a function location, right? Now your room, where is it is, right? It is inside your house. So your whole house is the superior function location, or in this case you can say a plant, right? So the function location, the room will show the whole hierarchy, means the superior one as well. Okay, it means the child as well and the superior as well. Okay, So it will show in the hierarchy your house and as well as that air condition as well. Okay, so then asset mapping. So what does it mean here is that in financial accounting, I would say, or finance and controlling module, there is a topic asset accounting, fixed assets. Okay, so those assets are having depreciation values. So for that, we are using fixed assets in financial accounting to track down those depreciation values. So you can map those assets with your function location. Okay, then manageable units, so you can manage whatever the units installed under that function location. And then a specific equipment identification. As I said, you have that equipment air condition in your room, so you can easily identify, right? So now let us understand why use functional locations. So function locations gives us structured asset organization, maintenance history tracking, cost tracking, reporting and analysis, planning and scheduling, integration with other modules such as controlling and materials management. So let us understand from this diagram here. So I will start from the bottom, structured asset organization, locate equipment, manage equipment. So as I said, if any equipment is installed under that function location, you can easily identify that one. Then maintenance history tracking, identify trends, predict failures, optimize strategies. What does that mean is if you are executing any maintenance activity onto that particular function location, you can also identify the trends. It means suppose you are doing a maintenance activity onto that particular function location two times in a month, or sometimes you are doing only one time in a month. Okay, so those kind of trends you can identify by tracking down the maintenance history of that particular function location. And by doing that you can also predict failures, but predict failures here is a separate topic in SAP plant maintenance that we will see further, not now, right? And then optimize strategies as well. So a strategy is a plan of part of the maintenance plan, that also we will see further. Then planning and scheduling, planning the maintenance activities and scheduling is the important thing, right? So if you have to execute the maintenance activities, it has to be scheduled into the current or required time frame. Okay, so integration with other modules, as I said, materials management and controlling, because that functional location can be like your air condition can be a material in for the materials management guy, right? And controlling, as I said, fixed assets, then you will be settling down the maintenance cost of that functional location to a certain cost center. Then reporting and analysis, whatever the maintenance activities that you are doing, you have to check that out. Then cost, how much of cost functional location is getting incurred, because whatever the maintenance activities that you are doing, all those maintenance activities incur cost, right? And why you are doing that one, you are doing to maintain that function location. So function location is the main object here. Okay, because of that you are spending money, all right, to get the performance. So you will also get the report, performance report, like mtbr, mttr. And then the cost tracking, cost analysis of the function location and cost reduction. Cost analysis he means here is whatever the maintenance activities that you are doing onto that particular function location, whether your maintenance cost is high or low. So based on that, if it is high, we have to reduce the cost. Okay, then function location structure, let us see via the diagram. So this is your plant, as I said, then your production area, production line, and then machine. So machine can be an equipment or a function location. Okay, so as I said, this is the part first video of this function location. So before moving ahead to the next topic, let us jump to the system. Let us understand whatever we have seen on this document right now, we will see that into the system. Okay, so what we have seen, first of all, what is a functional location? So let us go to the system and then we will see the hierarchy of that functional location. Okay, so this is my SAP system over here, and you can see this is your functional location. Okay, now how does this naming convention is coming? Okay, so we will see that in further videos because it is a part of the configuration which is known as a labeling. So that we will see the category and all those steps, we will see it is pulling down from the configuration only, so that we will see. Okay, so this is a function location. You can see under the location you can put the plant, under which plant this function location is located. So those kind of an address as well, if you wanted to be, if you wanted to find that function location specifically, on a particular address, you can maintain the address as well. Okay, and then the organization. So that we will see in the further videos, because there are a lot of important fields over here under the function location, which is quite useful. Okay, so as per the document, what we have seen is the structure that is pretty important in function location. So let us see. So if you can see here, there is a structure indicator. Okay, so what is the structure indicator? We will see further, because it is a part of a configuration. From there, it is coming. Okay, and then it is very important. The tick box equipment installation is allowed. It means you are allowing system to install the equipment under this function location. If it is unticked, you won't be allowed to install any of the equipment in the function location, and this is one of the most important questions, okay, asked in an interview, so please note it down. Okay, so let us proceed and see the hierarchy. So if you can see here, this is known as the structure list for this particular function location. So if I will click over this one, let's see what happens. So SAP navigates me to this screen, and if I will click expand whole, so you can see, so there are superior function locations also there, as I said. Okay, so this is your hierarchy screen. So these are all function locations which you are seeing in blue color. The green one is an equipment, and this is the material, and these are all the components. The pink one, these are all components. Okay, and this one is your material, and this is an equipment. So if I will double click over here, this is an equipment, you can see. Okay, so what does that mean? That by this hierarchical screen, you can navigate to any of these technical objects, and you can track down the maintenance history as well. How? Let us go back and see. So if you will go to the extras here, or maybe the environment. Okay, so you can see the task list which is created on this function location. Then you can create the order as well. Okay, you can create the equipment as well with reference to this function location. Okay, you do have maintenance items and how many orders has been created. If we will click this here, it will show you display PM orders. Okay, I will remove the dates because I do not know whether any order has been created on this particular function location or not. So let us see. No, so there are no orders created yet onto this, but via this you can track down the history of this function location. Okay, so that's why it was written on the document. Okay, so there are a lot of things over here. So like this one, if you will go here, you can see the action log, which will tell you who has changed the data, because master data are very key, I would say, data in SAP, because whatever the transactional data that we do, it all comes from the master data. Okay, so let us finish this video here. So in the next video, I will be covering the important fields under the function location, and maybe the configuration part as well. So that we will see in the further video. Okay. So again, I would request you to like and subscribe my channel so that you will get updated. And I'm hoping that you guys are finding my videos helpful, and your comments will be also helpful. So if you find that something is missing in the video and you wanted to get those things, I will try my best to cover those things as well. And I will treat that as a advice or suggestion, right? So don't bother about that. Please feel to comment, and I will be also mentioning my email ID, so you can drop an email over there as well. So meanwhile, bye, take care.